If you plan on starting a business in 2021, but you still do not know the business to start, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you different businesses that you can do on Instagram for almost free using just your phone and your data. My name is Jessica, and on this YouTube channel, I'll be sharing with you Instagram tips and tricks, content creation tips and tricks that can help you grow your personal brand and your business on Instagram. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification as I'll be posting videos every week. The first business on my list is to become a social media manager. We already know what a social media manager does. A social media manager helps individuals, helps businesses or brands that do not have the time to manage their pages themselves. And that's where you come in. What do you need to become a social media manager? You need your phone, you need your data, and then you need your own page on Instagram. If you are planning to become a social media manager, the first thing that you need to do is to start your own page. Build your community. Get people to trust you. Tell your friends and family about your business. And then you can start posting content that can get people to start following you and trusting you. And then you can get clients. Another thing that you can do on Instagram is to become an Instagram coach. No matter how you try to look at it, there are so many people that still do not know how to use Instagram effectively for either their personal brand or for their business. And that's where an Instagram coach comes in. If this is something that comes to you naturally, you can just open your Instagram page, start to grow your Instagram page, start to build a community, tell your friends and family about your business, and then you can start getting clients. The first thing you want to do is to get people to trust you. And how can you get people to trust you? Is to be consistent on your Instagram page. Post content continuously and get people to know you and trust you. When I started my page on Instagram, I converted my old page into my new page and I had about 400 followers. And 2 weeks into my business, I already had clients. If you can build trust, you can start getting clients, because nobody's going to put their money into your hands if they do not trust you. Another business you can do on Instagram is to become an affiliate marketer. You already know what an affiliate marketer does. An affiliate marketer promotes the product of other companies with the hope that someone buys that product through their link and they can get a commission from that. So if this is something that you are interested in, you can register for any of these affiliate marketing programs. Get this product that you feel like people that you know or your community or your followers will be interested in. Post this product on your page and get them to buy this product, and then you can start making money. Another business that you can run on Instagram is to become a graphic designer. The cool thing about becoming a graphic designer on Instagram is that you do not have to be a Photoshop expert to become a graphic designer on Instagram. If you are good at Canva or you are learning how to be better at Canva, you can become a graphic designer on Instagram. What can you design? A lot of people are outsourcing their carousels design, their designs for their content out to people. And if you can get people to trust you, you can start getting clients and designing their carousels and designing their templates for them. If you don't know how to use Canva yet, you can learn from YouTube or from Instagram or by playing around it yourself. And on this YouTube channel, I'll also be sharing with you different Canva tips that can help you get to know how to use Canva effectively. Another business that you can run on Instagram is to run sponsored ads for businesses. There are a lot of people that still do not know how to run sponsored ads. They either do not know how to run sponsored ads or they do not have the time to learn it for themselves. And that's where a sponsored ads manager comes in. You help people run their sponsored ads, or you train them on how to run their sponsored ads. What do you need to start this business? An Instagram page, your phone, your data, and learning how to run sponsored ads. There are a lot of people on YouTube on Instagram that teach people how to run sponsored ads, and in 2 weeks you can become an expert in running sponsored ads, and you can start doing it for people and making money out of it. Another business that you can run on Instagram is to become a mini importation coach or a procurement agent. Mini importation coach, you can be importing from different parts of the world for people. The most common one is importation from China, and there are a lot of people on YouTube, on Instagram that teach how to import from China easily. If this is something that you feel like you can do, you can start by learning how to import from China. Another thing you need to do to start this business is to start your own page on Instagram, grow your following, get people to trust you, and then you can start training others to become a mini importation coach or to learn how to import their products themselves. Another business that you can run on Instagram is to become a procurement agent. So now you're not only teaching them how to import from China, you can also help people import and get a percentage. So these are the businesses that you can do on Instagram for almost free using just your phone and your data. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification button. All the business I've listed, with as low as 100 followers, you can start making money on Instagram. You just need to be consistent and get people to trust your business. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up to this video, and if you want to learn more about Canva, please leave a comment down below because I'll be sharing more content about Canva. If you also want to know how to create animated text on Canva, you can check this video out. Thank you for watching.